Hi, this is Todd Profit with Stage Directions Magazine, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial for a website called Dropr. Not really sure how to pronounce it. .com. And what it is it's a site that's created specifically so that a designer or technician can create, or actually anyone can create, an online portfolio. You can sign up for a free account. With the free account, you are limited on how many things you can upload. Today, I'm going to show you how to build one completely from scratch because I've already created a website and have used all of my uploads. You can earn more uploads simply by the longer you stay with the service, you're going to get one upload a month. And that's going to allow you to add more things or change things as you go along. If you want to get unlimited uploads, though, you need to subscribe to their Guru service, and that's paid, I believe it's around $100 a year. And then you get unlimited uploads and a few more bells and whistles, which I'm sure we'll stumble across some of those. Once you're good for a site, it's going to take you to a page similar to this, and quite simply, we're going to click on Let's Begin. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is quite simply add a project. So we'll click, and it's going to ask what this project is. Instead of a project, I'm actually going to do, I'm going to upload a show. So let's say this one I'm going to do 90%. 90% metaphor. It's a dance that I have worked on in the past. If I wanted to add a simple description now, instead of a description, what I'm going to add is I'm actually going to add in text of who I've worked with in the past. And I'm going to paste that in. And actually, I think I just want to make it so that I'll delete that. And put that it was in 2008. Okay. And now I need to add some pictures here. We can we can simply hit import, or we can actually just drag files right in. So let's go back here and actually have, what I actually have is I actually have in my Dropbox, I actually have a file called website. I'm sorry, it's called bio, headshot, and resume, and I actually have a portfolio folder in there as well. So I keep them all organized so that if I'm ever creating a portfolio or need a picture for any reason, I've got them handy. So let's just take a second and drag a few pictures in. And again, these are all counting as uploads. So I'm going to go ahead and stop for now at 3. It will take just a moment for them all to get in there. It looks like they are there. So once I get them uploaded, they're all in there. And actually what I want to do is I want to go ahead and you need to make them public once you get them done. So I can actually go up here and I'm going to click that over and I'm going to publish that site. So I've got my first project up and ready to go. I can also click on the About page, and then in the About page, I'm going to put my name. Okay. You can do things like you can put in a basic biography, and again, that's text I've already written up. For me, an About page is going to be half biography, half cover letter. I'm going to talk about why I want you to hire me, but at the same time, I'm going to just give some basic information about who I am. I can add a location if I wanted to. I can add a website. So if I wanted to put it in my regular website, I can. It's asking, am I employed, freelancer, or just having fun? I'm going to, for the purpose of this, going to put freelancer, and I'm available. Contact information. If we click on that, it's going to ask, it's going to allow me to do the contact, and it's going to contact you through the email address that you've put into the website. You can upload a resume quite easily. Okay, and again, this is where that bio, headshot, and resume thing comes in really handy. Oops, my Vita. I'll put in my resume. That's my current resume, and just going to hit open, and now I've already uploaded a resume. Okay, and then it's just got the contact information. If we go back to work, we can add yet another project, And let me go ahead and do that real quick. Let's just put in flea in here. Okay. And I'll add the description in later, but I want to go and grab some of those pictures. Grab again. Now, I'm just putting in 3 as an example. You're probably going to want to put in more than just 3 pictures to your website, or more than 3 pictures for each show. I like from 4 to 8. Be careful if you do more than 8, then you're really they've really got to show something different. If not, you're going to bore your audience. And again, I'm going to go ahead and publish that one. Okay. So I've already gotten a couple shows put in. Now, basically, I mean, you've got pretty much everything ready to go. There are some basic settings you can play with a little bit, and that's actually up here in. Just click on the settings tab. The thing I don't like about that is it's not obvious, and I need to fix my name here. All right. You'll notice that I have this circle here. Not exactly sure what that is. That's a portrait on the network. So if you wanted to create a custom image or a custom logo that you wanted to use as your main header, you could do that. You could put your picture and your face in if you wanted to. So if I wanted to, I could actually, again, this is where bio, headshot, and resume comes in handy, because I actually do have avatars or headshots. I'll just open that up, and it uploads my picture. Now, you don't necessarily need to have use the logo. If you want, you can switch to a basic title. The only thing I don't like about this is that you just have your name. I wish it had like Todd Profit Lighting Designer. And when I posed the question to the company when I was creating my site, they said, well, you can create a custom logo if you want to put that in. So it's an option if you know how to do that. All right, some other things we can change. We can change the header fonts to something that's a little more interesting. And again, you get 3 for free. But the rest you need to upgrade to the Guru account to get those changed. And again, I'm going to change it to that font. Background image. This is where you can have a little bit of fun. You can actually go in and you can actually upload your own background image if you want to, but you can play a little bit with that. Top nav bar, we can turn that on or off. I like to leave it on there. You can change its color. You can change the thumb labels. I kind of like to have them always on there, or you can change them to outside, either one. You can choose the style of grid. Well, sure, I'm sure. All right, let's try the other one. So I'll actually make one and then make some smaller ones around it, or you can switch to this style. I'm not a big fan of this because I don't think the pictures look as good. That's why I like either of the square ones. Okay, and again, we have a whole bunch of other Guru features that you can add, like adding in your custom domain, changing the header more, and actually getting rid of their branding. So if you want to pay for that, you can. All right, and quite frankly, that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and shut the settings off. We're going to finish editing, and here's your site. All you do is you click on a particular project, and you scroll down, and you get to show off the pictures. One of the things that when you first sign up, it's gonna ask you for a name. Unfortunately, it wouldn't let me change mine. So this is my website. It's dropr.com/portfolio 79872. Now that's something I'm not going to want to put on a resume. That's something I'm not going to want to send out to people. That's where you're going to want to go and go to either buy a custom domain name that forwards to this site, or you can actually use a link shortener to create a custom short link to make it easier for people to get to your site, and which I've actually got another video up about that as well if you want more information about that. Okay, so here is my tutorial of Dropr.com. Like I said, it's fast. I mean, I made that in under 10 minutes, and I got 2 shows up in another, I'd say 15 or 20 minutes, and I've got a full website portfolio raring and ready to go. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at todd.profit@gmail.com. Thanks.